So I just finished working on this thing. Put those big wheels on there. Took off those ones. Well, kind of wanted bigger wheels, and these ones are totally rusted out, like just terrible. That one leaked a ton, the bottom one. So got these on. I got changed from a swap meet for free from a guy, and they're the right size. They're studded snow tires. So should work pretty good. Had to do a little bit of fender bashing, but only right there. Just had to bend that curve out a little bit, but not a big deal. Open this thing. There it goes. It's got a 10-horse Kohler in there, so that's good. Goes with all my other engines that are in my cases. And I got it. The whole carburetor was just full of junk, just goop in there, so I cleaned all that out. The deck, as you can see, is a little bit beyond repair. I took it for a little test drive. This thing is ripped right off. That part right there is ripped right off, and drove over it, and whoops. And yeah, the battery. Well, that's actually the original battery. That one was toast, and this one was too. It was in my another one of my lawnmowers. But then I hit it with 300 amps because I got a big new battery charger I gave to my dad, and that woke up the battery again. So I think it's good, or good enough. And yeah, I'll see if it starts up. Hasn't been started yet today. Oh, only thing is the idle doesn't work on it either. Something's wrong with that circuit, but not a big deal. It's only a romping lawnmower. Oh, we had life. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know if my fuel's open either. Oh, it was left open. That's not good. Could be flooded too, man. Battery's not the best in the world, definitely could crank it faster, but such is life. The clutch on this thing, but a little bit of a rough ride with those chains, but the tires are aired down to like 10 psi or something like that, or under 10. On the fenders, but that's no big deal. All in all, pretty fun machine. Should be. Bring it over to house there, Matthew, and be fun. Oh, and one more problem this thing has is no brakes. So you got